Hello, my name is Dustin Hoy. I'm an independent XR developer with a background in international broadcast television, working with networks like CBS Sports, NBC Sports, and the Discovery Channel. Since about 2012, I've also been working as an independent contractor with Apple and their Final Cut Pro Apps team. A few years ago, I got interested in VR and AR, and specifically the power of interactive storytelling using virtual reality as a medium. So I decided to teach myself Unity and C Sharp. And the subject matter for my project has been a Stargate dialing sequence. And so we can hop in the scene here. When I first got into Unity, I wanted to implement a smooth locomotion and a smooth turning movement system for my XR rig. And of course, animated hands. Also experimented with baked lighting maps versus real-time lighting in terms of performance. This environment is a floor plan replica of the Cheyenne Mountain complex that I created on iPad Pro using Apple Pencil and the Shaper 3D app. My main focus has been the interaction between the player, the dial home device, and then the DHD, and triggering the subsequent animations and lighting effects on the Stargate. And the challenges involved with scripting, the player not only having to enter the correct number of symbols on the DHD, but also having to enter those symbols in the correct order. And as you can see here, the buttons on the DHD animate, and also when pressed, they trigger the animations on the gate with the middle ring spinning, that upper lower chevron frame coming down to select the new gate symbol, as well as the external chevrons, the shader graph materials lighting up, indicating that the chevron is locked and correctly selected. Then once that final chevron is selected, they can trigger the particle system or the gate, and subsequently this gate timer script that's sitting on this canvas, which is just paying homage that in the TV show, the wormhole itself can only be open for X amount of time. And finally, that just leaves us with crossing the event horizon to trigger a scene change, and thus our next great adventure.